राज्यांत हॉस्पिटलांनी जावपी डायलिसीस प्रक्रियेन भर घालताना भलायकी मंत्रीन फकत गोमेकोंतूच न्ही जाल्यार वाठारांत डायलिसीस सेंटर दिवपाचेरय ठामपणां दाखयली। खंयच्याच दुयेंतींक डायलिसीस प्रक्रियेन आडमेळ येवपाक जायना। राज्यांतल्या भलायकी येवजणेंचेर भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे उलयलो।
I had a girl who asked me a question point blank. She was a 6-year-old girl. Stomach was bloated. Her kidneys had failed. There was no chance of survival. She had that autoimmune. There was, I don't know the exact terminology. She asked me, "You're a minister. Are you able to give me a lease of life?" And I had no answer. I just saw. I just kept quiet. And then I realized. And then her parents told me, "She has to come to Goa Medical College." And it becomes 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock in the night when we give dialysis. Today we took, when I remember my Chief Minister, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, it was his initiative along with me. I actually was arguing with him, I said, no, you must clear this for me, because we were able to spread dialysis centers all across the state of Goa. Actually, Goa, the state and the healthcare, a lot of people many times say, extra, this has to be done. I totally agree. Sometimes you have a situation in your family, and when you have that situation in your family, you want the best healthcare for your loved ones. And we succeeded in ensuring that dialysis is spread right from Kankod to everywhere. Today we have dialysis centers along with Apex Kidney Services from Mumbai. We have got it spread out all across the state. Same way, what could be a better dedication, tribute to my leader and the Honorable Prime Minister of the country, if we are able to, today with the Rotarians and the Club of Panjim Rivera, which has started in North Goa and South Goa, if we are able to have cancer treatment across the state in the bedded PHCs in a different way, so that a daycare center under Dr. Anupam Borkar, I think she'll be able to structure it in a way that we are able to see that the cancer patients don't have to travel for small things to Goa Medical College, queue up, wait and reduce the load of Goa Medical College.
ॲम्ब्युलन्सीचो विशय मतीन दवरून गोंयच्यो सगळ्यो ॲम्ब्युलन्सी आतां 108च्या अंडर मर्ज करतले। खंयचीच ॲम्ब्युलन्स हॉस्पिटला खाला उरची ना आनी ह्याच म्हयन्यान हें काम पुराय करपाचे आमी यत्न करतात। वेळार वेळार तांची सेवा लोकांमेरेन पावपाचेर आमी भर दिता। विश्वजीत राणेन मुखार हो विशय हायलायट केलो।
I was just talking to Mr. Bhatt, then he said that whatever shortfall in staff is there, that is being addressed. We are also taking specialists on board and seeing that already Dr. Munj has given a proposal. We have merged all ambulance services, we are merging, and I think we will immediately see that it is done in this month itself, that no ambulance will be under the hospitals, they will be under 108 and 108, so that accountability is there, higher and fire services there, so that there will never be any delay in transportation of a patient, whether it's from the periphery right up to the center of care.
गोवा 365 खातीर डायलन रॉड्रिगीस, गौतमी गांवकार आनी वैष्णवी साळगांवकार। बायणा एकेकारीक उजो लागलो। शॉर्ट सर्किटाक लागून हो उजो लागिल्ल्याचो अदमास आसा। उजो पालोवपी दळान उजो नियंत्रणांत हाडलो, पूण गाडयेचें पुराय लुकसाण जालां। पळयात।
हेडक्वार्टर्सांतल्यान 1951 कॉल आयले की गाडयेक उजो पेटला म्हणून बायणा हांगासर। आमी इमिडिएट टर्न आवट केलो आनी हांगासर येवन पळयत जाल्यार गाडयेक उजो पेट्टालो हांगासर। तो आमी रोखडोच उजो पालयलो हांगासर येवन। ते म्हणटा आमकां खबर ना कसो उजो लागलो।
कितें रिजन तुमकां डावट आसा कितें?
अजून शॉर्ट सर्किट बीन आसूंक शकता।
ओके, लॉस बी एस्टिमेट अजून जावंक ना दिसता। बरें, थैंक यू।
ये गाड़ी हमारा हमेशा इधर ही रहता है, हमारा फिक्स जगह है, मेरा घर है, ये गाड़ी इधर रहता है। तो आज क्या है कि हम लोग, मैं मेरा कज़न भाई, वो गाड़ी को देखने आने वाला था, मैं सेल करने वाला था। तो मेरा एक फ्रेंड वो बोलने लगा, डन भी किया, सब किया। तो मैं बोला गाड़ी क्लीन करके रखेंगे। तो हम लोग क्या करा, क्लीन कर रहा था, स्टार्ट मार के मैं क्या किया, आगे ऊपर बोनेट खोलने गया। बोनेट खोला, थोड़ा रेस किया, पीछे आया हम लोग। तभी तक आगे डम करके आवाज़ आया तो हम लोग भागा, अंदर लगा। आग लगाने को पहला पानी भी नहीं मारा तो रुक रहा नहीं। फायर ब्रिगेड को कॉल कर रहा है, कॉन्टेक्ट ही नहीं हो रहा है। उसके बाद में काट के मैं वास्को पुलिस स्टेशन फ़ोन मारा। वास्को पुलिस स्टेशन के बाद में उन लोग को कॉल मारा। तभी तक आया तक पूरा गाड़ी जल के राख हुआ।
अभी क्या कुछ डाउट बिट कुछ नहीं तेरे को किसका?
नहीं, कुछ डाउट नहीं। हम लोग गाड़ी के सामने ही था, सब लोग घर के सामने ही है हम लोग का।
तो कुछ ब्लास्ट हुआ इंजन में?
कुछ जुम करके आवाज़ आया और अचानक ये हुआ,
गाड़ी टोटली गया।
हाँ, गाड़ी टोटल खत्म।
पानी मारते था,
पानी मारते
तो शॉर्ट सर्किट जालो गाडयेचो आनी मागीर उजो पालेलो उजो लागलो गाडयेक फूल मागीर सायडीक ओमनीकूय लागलो गाडी आनी 2-3 फावटी ब्लास्ट जाले ते गाडयेचे ब्लास्ट जाले उपरांत मागीर आमी सोमते एका फोन केलो फायर ब्रिगेडीक सोमते फायर ब्रिगेड 2 मिनटांत पावली पावून सारकें उजो पालेलो मागीर आमी मागीर ते फूल कोणाक इंजुरी बी कांय जावंक ना आनी गाडयेक मातसो फूल गाडी हे जाली उजो लागलो गाडयेक फूल
चालू ये करते गए मारते पानी मारते सामने लगा हुआ पानी इतना मार के मरने का बाकी बाजू में एक वैन था वो हम लोग ग्लास खोल के पूरा निकाल के आगे लिया फिर बस उसको भी लगा उसको वैन का थोड़ा लगा दरवाजे को लगा
राज्यांत उजो लागपाच्या घडणुकांनी वाड जायत आसा ताका जायती कारणां जापसालदार आसात उजो पालोवपी दळ पुराय यत्न करून उजो नियंत्रणांत हाडटा तरी लेगीत स्वता जतनाय घेवप ही काळाची गरज जावन रावल्या गोवा 365 खातीर हिरू महाले मनीषा जाधव आणि वैष्णवी साळगांवकार.
The second CJP protest held in Pune saw over 1,000 people rally in support of the cause. Along with demanding the resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, CJP has now put forward 5 additional demands calling for reforms to India's examination policies. CJP's first demand calls for Rs 10,000 compensation for students whenever examinations are cancelled, leaked or delayed. The party says students sustain significant expenses on travel, accommodation, coaching and study materials, while also facing considerable mental stress due to such disruptions. As its second demand, CJP has called for a mandatory backup date and emergency plan for all major examinations, ensuring that any cancelled or compromised exam can be reconducted within 72 hours. As its third demand, CJP has also called for paper-based examinations to be assessed manually, arguing that unequal access to reliable technology makes a complete shift to digital evaluation premature. As its fourth demand, CJP called for automatic extension for age limit when an exam is cancelled, postponed or delayed. They argue that a lapse in administration shouldn't affect students' opportunities for employment. Lastly, CJP demanded a mandatory third-party audits for computer-based examination center at least 7 days prior to the exam. If the center fails the audit, it must be replaced immediately. CJP plans to continue the protest nationwide. With Pune rally complete, the protest will continue over the next week in many major cities. The party maintains that its campaign is focused on strengthening the education system, protecting students' interests, and ensuring accountability in the conduct of examination. Omkar Deshprabhu for Goa 365.
पणजेच्या जुंता हाऊसाचो विशय मात बरोच गाजत चल्ला. जुंता हाऊस मोडून सुवातेर कमर्शियल रिडेव्हलपमेंट जावपाचें आसा खंय. हाचेर जॅक सुकेजान खर विरोध करून हो जागो मल्टी लेवल पार्किंगे खातीर वापरचो असो उलो मारला. मुखार हाचेर दखल घेवन आमी वावुरतले अशेंय ताणें सांगलें.
6th floor building, which was probably the second tallest building of its time. For 40 years, it housed prime government officers, and it also had the observatory, which was for the astronomy center, which was a great draw for all the citizens of Panjim. Since 2000, government officers have started shifting out. 2025, I think structural and safety issues were raised over the building, and 2026, we are seeing now that the building is up for redevelopment. The tender, whatever details we have got from it looks like it's going for commercial redevelopment. In terms of commercial redevelopment, what is it saying? That it will be a hotel and a casino with parking only for the facilities of the hotel, it looks like. Now, if you see the location of the Junta House, it is right in the center of the CBD of Panjim. Right from here, you can access anywhere. And if you see the two of the main concerns of Panjim are waste management and traffic, and parking. So what is the most obvious use for this building? At least a large portion of this building should be to go for a multi-story paid parking center. If you see anywhere in the world, including in India, the main cities, the metros or the tier 2 cities, even Simla, they have a multi-level parking lot within the core center of the city, and from there vehicles branch out. But here we have seen that it has gone for commercial redevelopment, which of 11 or 12 floors, out of which 8 or 9 floors are for a hotel room, 1 floor is for a casino, and the other one is for hotel amenities. the parking is limited. Now, the question we have to ask is, do we prioritize commercial development over civic amenities for the city, especially in public infrastructure? I think the answer is no. The citizens of Panjim are very, very clear. They voice their opinion. They have many ideas on what this iconic structure should be, and none of that includes a casino and a hotel project right in the center of Panjim. So I would request the government to kindly not take this forward, to stop this project of having a hotel come casino. There are already enough private players in the state and in the city who are developing hotels, and the government has no business getting into this game. What I would suggest is you utilize majority of the area for a multi-story paid parking. You can have a little bit of commercial activity around. There is a suggestions come in that you can make it with vertical gardens. There be an event floor on top. The observatory be retained here, and various other citizen-centric uses like agricultural hubs, urban agricultural hubs, or training centers for our youth. So that is the brief I would like to give. We will be reaching out to the various groups who have been in touch with us and see how we take this forward. The area, I think, is right now by cabinet decision. It has gone to by tender to a company called NBCC. But per se, I'm not sure who the land belongs to. Who owns it? I don't have that. आमच्या सायडीने उलोवप आहा की मिनिस्टराची 2019 हे पयले जाल्यार ते कितें ते मॅनिफेस्टो आसलो 1000 काम मल्टी स्टोरी पार्किंग with government and community centers. So आमचे आहा ते you retain it at similar levels and you look at having something which benefits the public and also decongest the city.
पणजेन सगळ्यात चड सतावपी प्रश्न आसा तो म्हळ्यार कोयर आनी ट्रॅफिकाचो. पार्किंग नसल्या कारणान हे ट्रॅफिक जाता. देखून वाठारांत पार्किंगेची गरज आसा. सगळ्यांचे तेच म्हणणे आसा.
This into a hotel, I feel would be a very disastrous outcome because as it is, you know, being a citizen of Panjim, we are unable to find any parking anywhere, and not only that, there is immense congestion and there is a lot of double parking and everybody is parking in the middle of the road. Now when we have such a great opportunity at hand to make a favorable outcome for the public, and with the CCP and the government working in the interest of the public, I think it is essential that they use this project only for a multi-story parking, because this is the need of the hour right now. We have multiple hotels in Panjim, we have multiple hotels across Goa. I feel that right now we are in a position where the inventory is exploded and it is causing more harm than good to our citizens, because as it is, the citizens, they feel that, you know, that there are too many tourists and there is no facilities given to the locals and no facilities given to people, residents. So I feel these are basic hygiene factors that the government has to take into cognizance and act on very seriously, that we need to have a multi-level parking in Junta House.
पणजेन आदीच खूप कसिनो आसात. मांडवीची नासाडी करपाक लागून आनीक कसिनो नाका. ताचे बदला लोकांच्या आणि शाराच्या हिता खातीर हो पार्किंग प्रकल्प हाडात. जॅक सुकीजान सरकाराक आवाहन केले. गोवा 365 खातीर जाहीद हसन, गौतमी गांवकार आणि सानिका नागवेकर.
गोय काँग्रेस झुजा खातीर तयारी करता. फुडारी आनी कामगार राज्यभरांतल्या लोकांक सक्रियपणान गुंतयतात. देखून गोंय क्रांती दिसा निमतान म्हापसा कार्यकर्ता मेळावो जावपाचो आसा. संघटनेक उर्बा दिवपाक, जनसंपर्क घटमूट करपाक आनी फुडें आशिल्ल्या राजकीय आव्हानांक तोंड दिवपाक पक्षाक तयारी करपाक कार्यकर्तो मेळावो महत्वाचो मंच आसतलो, तांणी नमूद केले. 18 जून गोय क्रांती दिसा निमतान आयोजीत करपाच्या कार्यकर्ता मेळाव्याक उत्तर गोय आनी म्हादय ब्लॉक समिती सयत येवजण तयार करपा खातीर खासा बसका जाली.
आमचो 18 तारखेक जो गोंयचो क्रांती दिन आसा पळय, त्या दिसा आमी एक काँग्रेस कार्यकर्त्यांचो एक व्हडलो मेळावा ऑर्गनायज करतात आनी तेच अनावन्स करण्या खातीर आमी आयज हो प्रेस घेतात. आमी पळयलां की लास्ट थोड्या वर्सांनी जी गोंयची परिस्थिती आसा ते पर्यावरणाच्या बाबतीन असो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सगळे जे सिच्युएशन म्हापशान आसा ती इतली खराब जाल्ली आसा की हे सगळे चेंज करच्या खातीर आमकां एक रेव्होल्युशनरी स्टेप आनी स्टँडूच घेवचो पडटलो. त्या शिवाय आमकां सद्या पर्याय ना. आनी एकूच अशी पार्टी गोंयांत आसा जी सगळ्या गोंयच्या लोकांक वांगडा घेवन फुडें सरूंक शकता आनी ती
आमी आतां क्रांती दिन सेलिब्रेशन करपाक आहात ते. आमी जाणात गोंय कितले प्रॉब्लम जालो आनी गोंयचे आतां आनीक एक सेकंड क्रांती येवपाक आहा. कित्याक आमचो काँग्रेस पक्ष आशिल्लो तेन्ना काँग्रेस पक्ष सद्दां लोकांचें चिंततालो आनी लोकांचें बरें करतालो. फावंडेशन काँग्रेस पक्षान दिलें रायट फ्रॉम इंडिपेंडन्स टू लिबरेशन आनी इवन फॉर स्टेटहूड. सो एवरीथींग काँग्रेस हॅज टेकन फॉरवर्ड आनी आम सगळे लोकांक आमचे कार्यकर्त्या पासून तांकां हाडून आमी हे सरकाराचे कितें करतात ते एक्सपोज करून आमी आमची क्रांती जाय ती आमकां झगडपाची आहा ती आमी फुडें काडटले आनी वी वील लीड अ मार्च फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड्स द इलेक्शन. भरपूर इश्यू आहात आनी एवरी डे तूं पळयता डिस्ट्रॅक्शन चालू आसा. डिस्ट्रॅक्शन कसलो दुसरो कितें उलोवपाचो स्पेशल फेसबूक पेज केला आमकां अटॅक करपाक आनी आमकां बिजी दवरपाक थिंगा आमी केअर करना. आमी आमचे वार करपा आहा ते आमी करतले आनी आमी फुडें वयतले. कित्याक हे आतां सद्या बिलो आसात आनी हे बिलार कित्याक आमी येतले तांकां उडयतले आनी आमी सरकार उडयतले ते गॅरंटी ते आसात देखून ते आतां हे करतात सगळे. म्हूण आमी व्हडलो प्रोग्राम उडयतलो. ते प्रोग्राम म्हापशे जातलो आनी आमी टोटल डिटेल्स मागीर फुडें आमी सांगतले.
गोवा 365 खातीर डायलन रॉड्रिगीस, मनीषा जाधव आनी अरुण नायक.